Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are making a playlist and I'm making a bunch of videos on this playlist. Uh, if you're interested in the hobby and you wanna start and you don't know where to start or think the hobby is too expensive, you may be right, all depends in your budget, but I think the hobby is become less expensive with the type of technology you get in. But stay tuned and watch the other videos. I'm gonna be interviewing uh, some people on the hobby on the park I fly, interviewing the club president, and where everything you need to know to start the hobby. I gonna even buy a plane and most probably give it away in a future video. So you guys, somebody, some lucky winner can get a plane. I'm gonna even make it FPV, and I'm talking about the Apprentice from Horizon Hobby. I'm selecting that plane because it's a little bit on the large side, and I can put a FPV camera easy in it. But I, at the same time, want to teach you guys a couple of things when you start flying and when you guys start learning to fly. Aerodynamics. Body boxing, and much more that I'm gonna cover in the interviews too. Also, why you should join a club. They're very fun. You meet a lot of people. A lot of them are pilots or veterans or retired people. But it's not only about flying. You just some people just go and sit down to talk and just pass the day, but also you fly with planes that they can cause harm to people. So there's safety rules you have to follow. Plus, there's you got to get MAMA. So MAA is something you have to pay yearly, but it helps a lot with the hobby, RC hobby. It provides members with liability insurance and access to flying club and sections events. Uh, that safety guidelines and education. You will even get a magazine every month, either digital or through the mail, so you guys can learn a lot. Uh, Besides the AMA, and plus you have to have the trust course before you can even fly. That is a small course. It's just so for safety. It's kind of a certificate. It doesn't expire. You get it once, and that helps you, you know, be more safe. Because right now I'm flying a turbine plane. Believe me, if I hit a car with that, there's gonna be fire. So there's some guidelines you have to file, and they want to make sure you at least are familiar with them. And lastly, even though it's recreational flying, the FAA requires you to register all. Just get one registration number to put on all your RC planes. So if something happens or you just lost your plane, so you have to put your name and phone number and your registration, just in case you lose your plane, it goes flying, you lose it, somebody else find it, and they want to do the right thing. They can you can get it back. But all these are important, and as part of the club, it's important to have it. So yeah, we are certified as a club to be able to operate as an airfield for our seaplanes. So as I progress through the videos, I'm gonna show you step by step how to do all this, and I'm gonna show interviews. Aerodynamics this is gonna be a school for people that want to start on the hobby. So stay tuned, like, subscribe. See you in the next video.